Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to share a Google Slides presentation step by step. Whether you want to share it with one person, your team, or anyone with a link, this guide will show you everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, open your Google Slides presentation. Once your presentation is open, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. A sharing window will appear. At the top, you'll see the Add People and Groups section. Here, you can enter the email address of the person you want to share the presentation with. After entering an email address, choose the permission you want to give. Select Viewer if they should only view the presentation. Choose Commenter if they should be able to leave comments. Select Editor if you want them to edit the presentation. You'll also see the Notify People option. Leave it on if you want Google to send an email notification, or turn it off if you don't. Now let's look at the General Access section. By default, it may be set to Restricted, which means only invited people can open the presentation. If you want to share it using a link, click Restricted and choose anyone with the link. Next, choose whether people with the link can be a viewer, commenter, or editor. After selecting the permission, click Copy Link to copy the sharing link. You can now paste this link anywhere, such as in an email or a messaging app. When you're finished, click Done to save your sharing settings. If you ever need to change the sharing permissions, simply click the Share button again and update the settings. That's how to share a Google Slides presentation step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Slides tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.